Near the shores of Osaka Bay, Kishiwada Castle stands as one of Japan's historic flatland castles. Surrounded by moats and stone walls, the castle played an important role in protecting the coastal approaches to Osaka during Japan's feudal era. The castle was originally built in the 14th century by the Kusunoki clan and later expanded under various feudal lords. Its strategic location near important maritime and trade routes made it a valuable stronghold in the Kansai region. Unlike mountaintop fortresses, Kishiwada Castle was constructed on relatively flat terrain and relied heavily on moats, stone ramparts, and defensive gates for protection. The castle became the center of a thriving castle town that grew around its walls and waterways. During the Edo period, Kishiwada Castle served as the administrative seat of the Kishiwada Domain under the Okabe clan. The castle helped maintain stability and governance in the region during more than 2 centuries of relative peace under the Tokugawa shogunate. A lightning strike in 1827 caused a fire that destroyed the original main keep. Although parts of the castle survived, the iconic Tenshu was lost. In the 20th century, the keep was reconstructed based on historical records, allowing visitors to once again appreciate its distinctive appearance. Today, Kishiwada Castle stands as a symbol of the city's samurai heritage and is closely associated with the famous Kishiwada Danjiri Festival, one of Japan's most energetic traditional celebrations. Surrounded by moats and cherry blossoms, the castle continues to connect modern Kishiwada with its feudal past.